It's harvest time in China's giant pepper fields. This process, which would take days with traditional methods, is now completed in minutes with giant machines. Rotating blades, powerful vacuum systems, and incredible speed. Tons of hot peppers are collected and processed instantly. Get ready for the crazy technology behind this red gold reaching the table. These giant machines flawlessly collect hundreds of kilograms of pepper in a single pass. Thanks to their special vibrating systems, they separate the stems, leaves, and unnecessary waste. The harvested peppers are immediately transported to factories and started to be processed. White gold that grows deep in the soil. When harvest time comes, thousands of tons of garlic are collected at once. So how does this enormous process take place? The collection process, which used to take days with traditional methods, is now completed in just a few hours with giant machines. This is the incredible power of modern agriculture. Red fields as far as the eye can see. Hundreds of thousands of tomatoes are picked in a single move. So how is this incredible speed possible? Harvesting that used to take days with traditional methods is now completed in minutes with giant agricultural machines. Picking tomatoes one by one. Now history. Here is the breathtaking power of modern agriculture. Yellow, red, green. The colorful giants of agriculture. The fields are transformed into a rainbow with the work of giant machines. Hundreds of thousands of bell peppers are collected in a single move. So how is this incredible harvest so fast and effective? Traditional methods are now a thing of the past. Now the giant machines of modern agriculture are taking the stage. The bell peppers ripening in the huge fields are collected in seconds by harvesting machines working at incredible speeds. Special knife mechanisms delicately separate the peppers from their stems, while rotating belts transfer them all to the conveyor belts without any waste. High-speed optical scanners perform instant quality control and sort out defective products, and only the most perfect peppers continue to be processed. Powerful water spray systems clean the peppers from all residues, while drying tunnels make them shiny and fresh. Thanks to modern agricultural technology, tons of peppers are ready to reach the table in minutes. Spinach growing in endless fields is collected in seconds with giant harvesting machines. Special blade systems cut the spinach from the roots without damaging them, while powerful vacuum belts quickly collect the leaves and transfer them to the crates. Optical scanners perform instant quality control and sort out the wilted or worn leaves. During the cleaning phase, high-pressure water systems come into play to clean the spinach from all soil and residue. Then, delicate drying systems keep the leaves fresh and lively, making them ready for packaging. Figs ripening on the branches are collected in seconds with modern harvesting machines. Unlike the traditional hand-picking process, special vibrating mechanisms gently shake the branches without damaging the trees, ensuring that only ripe figs fall. The collected figs are transported by soft belt systems and transferred to conveyor belts without being crushed. Optical scanners and sensors quickly sort out damaged or unripe fruits, while the highest quality figs go directly to the cleaning and sorting stage. Delicate washing systems gently clean the fruits, preserving their natural freshness. plums ripening on the branches are quickly collected with specially designed modern harvesting machines. Vibrating mechanisms carry out the collection process without damaging the trees by dropping only fully ripe fruits. Plums falling to the ground are transported without being crushed by cushion belt systems and are directed directly to optical scanners. Advanced sorting systems instantly detect and separate defective or crushed fruits, while the highest quality plums quickly move on to the cleaning stage. Thousands of pomegranates are picked with a single touch. Modern harvesting machines pick pomegranates in seconds by gripping them delicately without damaging the branches. Pomegranates transferred to conveyor belts are analyzed by high-speed optical scanners, and the highest quality ones are selected. While cracked or crushed fruits are immediately separated, the freshest pomegranates go to the cleaning stage. Pomegranates, which are cleaned of dust and residue with high-pressure water systems, are classified according to their sizes and prepared for packaging. Radishes growing underground are collected with incredible speed with modern harvesting machines. Special digging blades carefully lift the soil and remove the radishes without damaging them. Rotating belts quickly transfer the radishes separated from the soil to the conveyor belts, and the excess soil is instantly cleaned with powerful air jets. Optical scanning systems analyze the shape and size to sort out the defective ones while the highest quality radishes continue to be processed. Thanks to modern technology, radish production is now faster, more efficient, and more perfect. Brussels sprouts are harvested by separating their stems in seconds with modern harvesting machines. While giant cutting drums carefully cut the plants from their roots, powerful rotating cylinders quickly strip the cabbage heads and transfer them to the conveyor belts. High-speed optical scanners perform size and quality checks and remove any that are faulty or small. Then, powerful water spray systems completely clean the leaves, making them shiny and fresh. Celery with its long, green stalks is collected in seconds with modern harvesting machines. Special knife mechanisms cut the plants delicately from the roots, while rotating belt systems transfer the stalks to the conveyors in an orderly manner. Optical scanners select the highest quality celery by analyzing color and size, while immediately removing crushed or damaged ones. Powerful water spray systems clean all soil and debris, making the celery shiny and fresh. Selected stalks are directly packaged and sent to markets, while some are chopped and frozen and processed. Known for their delicate structure, raspberries are collected without being damaged with specially designed modern harvesting machines. Vibrating mechanisms gently shake the branches to ensure that only ripe fruits fall. Soft collection belts transfer the raspberries to the conveyor system without crushing them, and high-speed optical scanners perform instant quality control and sort out defective fruits. Powerful air-blowing systems clean the leaves and stems, while cold water spray technology preserves the freshness of the fruits and makes them ready for packaging. Giant cabbage heads lined up in rows in the fields are cut and collected in seconds with modern harvesting machines. Special knife mechanisms delicately separate the plants from their roots, while strong arms grasp the cabbage heads and transfer them to the conveyor belts. Optical scanners perform size and quality analysis to select the most robust and large cabbages, while defective ones are immediately separated. High-pressure water spray systems clean the leaves of all soil and residue, making them shiny and fresh. Peas grown in endless fields are collected with incredible speed by modern harvesting machines. Special drum collection systems gently strip only the ripe pods without uprooting the plants and transfer them to the conveyor belts. Powerful air-blowing systems remove excess leaves and stems, while optical scanners complete size and maturity analysis in seconds. Selected peas are cleaned with high-pressure water spray systems and made shiny and fresh.